Pull the net higher.
Careful with that crate, it's heavy.
We need more ice over here.
From salmon to Nile perch, each species offers unique patterns and texture. The intricate texture of each skin forms the foundation. Skins must be carefully preserved to maintain their quality.
These humble beginnings mark the first step in transforming fish.
Once harvested, fish are quickly transported to processing facilities to ensure
Each species' skin is meticulously separated, as its unique properties will determine the final leather quality.
salt curing stabilizes the skins, preventing bacterial growth during transport.
Some skins are immediately frozen, maintaining flexibility and collagen integrity for leather production.
A strict cold chain ensures that the skins reach the factory in optimal condition. Careful layering prevents damage and prepares the skins for the next stage.
Watch the temperature on vat 3.
It's holding steady at 90.
Any remaining tissue is removed to prevent bacterial growth and ensure uniform tanning.
Enzymatic solutions break down residual proteins, preparing the skin for tanning while maintaining structural integrity.
Rinsing ensures that chemical residues are removed and skins are hydrated for the next processing step. Controlled mechanical tumbling evenly softens the skins without causing tears or fiber damage. Each skin is inspected to ensure consistent texture and elasticity before tanning.
Now fully cleaned and softened, these skins are ready to enter the tanning process, where they begin their transformation into luxurious leather.
Tanning transforms delicate fish skins into strong, flexible leather, locking in fibers through precise chemical processes. Modern chrome-free tanning offers fast, sustainable alternatives, reducing environmental impact while maintaining quality.
Rotary drums gently agitate skins, ensuring the tanning solution penetrates evenly without damaging fibers.
At a microscopic level, tannins chemically cross-link collagen fibers, increasing strength, flexibility, and longevity.
Periodic checks ensure each batch meets exact standards for luxury leather.
Once tanning is complete, skins are carefully rinsed to remove residual chemicals, preserving their softness and color.
With the fibers stabilized, these skins are now ready to be dried and conditioned, preparing them for the next stage. Each skin is positioned to allow even airflow, ensuring uniform moisture removal without damaging delicate fibers.
Some factories use vacuum drying to carefully extract moisture, preserving softness and natural textures.
As the skins dry, collagen fibers realign, giving the leather strength, elasticity, and a smooth surface.
Hands-on inspection ensures each skin reaches the perfect balance between dryness and suppleness.
Precise conditioning restores flexibility and prepares the skins for coloring and finishing.
With moisture perfectly controlled, these skins are now ready for surface treatment and coloring, the next step toward luxury leather.
The dyeing process transforms neutral fish skins into vibrant materials ready for luxury applications. The dyeing process transforms neutral fish skins into vibrant materials ready for luxury applications.
Each skin absorbs color differently, depending on species and fiber density, creating unique patterns and hues.
Each skin absorbs color differently, depending on species and fiber density, creating unique patterns and hues. Artisans often apply natural pigments by hand to enhance texture and create one-of-a-kind finishes.
A thin protective coating shields the delicate fish skin, enhancing resistance to moisture, abrasion, and wear.
The combination of dye and finish brings out the natural beauty of each skin, creating a luxurious texture.
Controlled drying ensures that color sets evenly and the coating bonds firmly with the fibers. Every piece is inspected to ensure consistent color, texture, and sheen, critical for luxury quality. With the perfect color and finish, these skins are ready to be transformed into luxury items. Once prepared, fish leather is carefully laid out for cutting, ensuring every piece meets design and quality standards. Patterns are aligned to highlight the unique textures of each skin, maximizing visual appeal in the final product. Careful cutting preserves integrity of fibers while creating perfect shapes for assembly. The quality of cut edges ensures durability and precision in luxury products.
Hand stitching reinforces strength while preserving the delicate nature of fish leather.
For larger or reinforced sections, industrial sewing machines provide consistency without compromising luxury quality. With precise cutting and stitching complete, the fish leather is now ready to be transformed into luxury items. Before reaching luxury products, every fish leather batch undergoes rigorous quality control.
Flexibility tests ensure the leather can withstand repeated bending without compromising integrity.
Abrasion testing simulates real-world wear, confirming durability for luxury applications.
Moisture resistance is evaluated to ensure the leather maintains shape, color, and texture under everyday conditions.
Color fastness tests verify that dyes remain stable and do not bleed during use.
Each skin is meticulously inspected, with any flaws removed or reprocessed to maintain consistent quality. After stitching and coloring, the leather undergoes final finishing to perfect its texture, sheen, and tactile quality. Brand embossing adds prestige and ensures authenticity for the products are delicately packaged to maintain shape and protect the fine leather during transit.
Every package showcases the natural beauty and craftsmanship of fish leather.
Specialized logistics preserve the leather's quality, from factory to boutique.
Efficient distribution ensures that luxury fish leather reaches global fashion houses promptly.
From raw fish skins to refined luxury goods, the journey culminates in exclusive boutiques worldwide.
This is the story of fish leather, transforming humble skins into the pinnacle of luxury craftsmanship.